Welcome mathematicians to second grade math module 4 application problem. Turn to your next blank page in your math journal. Label the top of the page M4 L21 for module 4 lesson 21 and then date with today's date. Cut out problem 21 and glue it to the top of your page. Pause the video to get your paper ready and press play when you're ready to continue. To solve, we will use the RDW strategy. In RDW, we first read the problem through one time and visualize. Then we go back and circle number words and underline what the problem wants to know. Then we draw out the problem with a tape diagram, place value chart, number bond, or another strategy to show our work. Also, we label our work. After we've drawn out our problem, we're going to write an equation or number sentence that goes with the problem. Then, after we have solved the problem, we're going to write the answer in a complete sentence. Let's get started. We're going to read our problem first. Katrina has 23 stickers and Jennifer has 9. How many more stickers does Jennifer need to have as many as Katrina? Let's go back and circle my numbers. I have the number 23. I have the number 9. Now I need to underline what the problem wants to know, and it wants to know how many more stickers does Jennifer need to have as many as Katrina. Go ahead and check off reading on your checklist because we've read the problem. Now I'm ready to draw and label my problem. To solve this problem, I'm going to start with a tape diagram to help me understand the problem better. I know that Katrina has 23 stickers. So I'm going to write Katrina. And then 23. And then I know that Jennifer has 9 stickers. So I'm going to put 9, and then I'm going to label. What I don't know is how many Jennifer needs to equal 23. So my whole amount that I'm working with is 23. 9 is one part, and I have to figure out the next part. In lesson 21, we've been working with adding to a number to make an easy 10. When I look at my problem, I know that if I add 1 to 9, that gives me 10. If I add 1 to 9, I have to also add 1 to 23. So now that I have drawn and labeled my problem, let's write an equation. Before I added the 1 to 23 and 9, my equation would have looked like this. 23 minus 9 equals. Knowing that that could be a tricky problem to solve, I wanted to make an easy 10. So I added 1 to 23, which gives me 24. And then I added 1 to 9, which gives me 10. Now I can subtract a 10 from 24. And 24 minus 10 gives me 14. So now I have written out the equation, and I'm ready and solved, and now I'm ready to write it in a complete sentence. So my complete sentence is, and you need to write this also, Jennifer needs 14 more stickers to have the same number as Katrina. And that completes my problem. So I know that Jennifer needs to have 14 more stickers to have the same number as Katrina. Go ahead and finish this problem in your math journal. If you have questions or need more help, go ahead and raise your digital hand if you're using ClassKit, and then go ahead and start your next problem.